Why does my air conditioner smell musty? Your air conditioner smells musty because moisture is building up inside the unit, and mold or mildew is growing on damp surfaces like the evaporator coil, the drain pan, or the ductwork, and that trapped moisture combined with dust creates the perfect environment for that stale, musty odor to form and spread through your home. Think of your air conditioner like a big straw that pulls in warm air and blows out cool air. And as it does that, it naturally creates water because it is pulling moisture out of the air, kind of like how a cold glass of lemonade sweats on a hot day. That water is supposed to drain away safely, but if the drain line gets clogged or the coil stays wet for too long without airflow, mold starts growing in there just like mold grows on a wet sponge left in a sink. One thing most people never think about is that turning your fan setting to auto instead of on helps a lot, because when the fan runs constantly, it keeps blowing air across a damp coil and spreads that musty smell throughout your whole house. Another lesser-known trick is that changing your air filter regularly is not just about air quality, it also keeps airflow strong enough to help the coil dry out properly between cooling cycles, which stops mold from settling in. A really common mistake is ignoring the smell because people assume it will just go away. But mold can actually grow quickly, so the fix is to schedule a professional cleaning before it spreads further into your ductwork. Another misconception is thinking a musty smell always means something is broken, when really it is often just a simple maintenance issue like a clogged drain line. So checking that drain line yourself or having a technician flush it can solve the problem fast. People also forget that dirty ductwork can hold on to that smell long after the source is fixed, so having your ducts inspected occasionally is a smart way to stay ahead of it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.